ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯗ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯐꯠꯇꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯦ ꯀꯨꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯤꯖꯣꯔꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯇꯨꯗꯧꯔꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯕꯨ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯂꯩꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯅꯤꯄꯥꯗꯨ ꯇꯨꯗꯧꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯤ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯅ ꯆꯥꯟꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯨꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ
As the saying goes, blood is thicker than water. The people from Manipur as well as from Myanmar, they are our kids and kins, they are flesh and blood. They are our brothers and sisters. We could not betray them when they are in a difficult situation. And in fact, not only MNF, every political party, the NGOs and even the churches, we are behind them solidly. We are unhappy about the way Biren Singh handled the situation. The whole thing is a total madness. And the long silence of the Prime Minister has left a scar on our minds. And BJP is ruling at the center as well as in Manipur. And MNF is a part of them, being a member of NEDA and NDA. So it will have adverse effect on MNF too. And regarding this Zorinification or whatever you call it, Greater Mizoram or whatever you call it, we all are behind this. It is the dream of the Mizos that one day a day will come when all the Mizo peoples divided due to the British policy of divide and rule, divided elsewhere, will be under a single administrative unit. One day will come. This is our dream. We are looking forward. And this is not the private property of MNF alone. It is the dream of all the Mizos. Article 3 of the Indian Constitution. Parliament may by law form a new state by separation of territory from any state or by uniting two or more states or parts of states or by uniting any territory to a part of any state, increase the area of any state, diminish the area of any state, alter the boundaries of any state, alter the name of any state. So Article 3 has already provided the solution of this problem. This Article 3 has been used so many times. New states, new union territories were born, and so many times state boundaries were changed. So these people are brothers and sisters who are living in Manipur. If they decided to join us, we are most welcome.